Most parents think their energy drains during the day, but the real battle actually happens while you sleep. And these five drinks help restore your energy and memory overnight. Parents today are exhausted, stressed, and running on fumes. Their energy system is just overwhelmed. What most people don't realize is that what you drink before and during the day determines how your brain recovers at night. Lataj, why in the world do drinks have such a powerful impact on nighttime repair?
Simply put, it's because the brain and their body repair using nutrients, minerals, hydration, and antioxidants. And if you're drinking the wrong things, your cells, the smallest unit of life, they can't flush toxins, they can't restore mitochondria, and those will create the energy and your memory consolidation essentially gets disrupted. But when you drink the right things, your body becomes a restoration machine while you sleep.
Hmm.
Get renewed and regain everything.
That's why today we're breaking down the top five drinks that restore energy and memory while you sleep, from helpful to absolutely essential. Let's get into it. Why does this matter now? Why are parents especially vulnerable to nighttime energy collapse?
Well, I think because most parents, they are dehydrated, they're inflamed, they're stressed, and they're going to bed with their systems already overloaded. And if your brain doesn't get enough minerals or electrolytes, the right nutrients, the antioxidants, hydrations, like 70% of the brain is water, it can't run the repair cycle.
Mm.
You wake up what? Foggy, you forget things, your patience shrinks, you get short with your loved ones, your energy falls off the cliff by 1 p.m., 2 p.m., and sleep becomes a reset and not a repair.
That's terrible. These five drinks help switch the brain back into repair mode.
Absolutely.
All right. Number five, kombucha.
Yes.
Why should parents drink kombucha?
Kombucha is so underrated. It's a natural anti inflammatory powerhouse and one of the most soothing vegetable based drinks you can have in the evening.
Hmm.
Yeah. So we talk about the beta carotene that supports your memory, your cognitive repair.
And it's good for the gut.
Great for the gut. It calms the nighttime inflammation. It helps bring the brain detox during sleep. It stabilizes blood sugar, prevents 2 p.m. cortisol spikes. I mean, it's gentle on digestion, reduces the bloating so the sleep is a little bit deeper. And when you warm kombucha, it works almost like a sleep nutrient infusion in a sense.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Never
I
thought
know.
about that.
Yeah.
And that sets the stage for number four, a drink parents never think to make.
What is that?
Vegetable juice. Hear us out though. Homemade vegetable juice, not from a bottle, not from the store, but from your own kitchen. A Vitamix, a good blender. Why is this so powerful, Dr. Haynes?
Because now the fresh juice has the intact, all the phytonutrients, the enzymes, all the minerals that your brain desperately needs for nighttime repair. So it's just going to flood your cells with all the antioxidants and it's going to support all of the brain detox pathways.
So it helps restore the mitochondria and it boosts the next day energy so you feel alive.
Inflammation is going to be completely reduced. Memory is going to be completely improved. I mean, it's just far cleaner than your bottled juices that people buy thinking you're drinking something healthy. You don't have the preservatives or the sugar spikes whatsoever.
And it works best earlier in the evening or afternoon.
It's real juice.
Yeah, but there's still a missing piece. Parents need something soothing, stable, and brain calming, not stimulating.
Hmm.
So the next one is green tea. Green tea is popular, but few people understand how it affects nighttime recovery. What makes it so special?
Yeah, green tea is so powerful. One is, not to get technical about it, but the high theanine and the polyphenols both directly support the brain's repair chemistry. Calms the nervous system without sedation. The polyphenols support memory pathways and the brain plasticity, all right, which helps you keep the memory, is all it means.
Lower caffeine than coffee, so it shouldn't really disturb your sleep.
No, it won't at all. And it enhances the alpha brain waves that boost your creativity, and which really gives you clarity for the next day. And it supports your mitochondrial repair and fat burning during sleep.
Yeah.
It's a great beverage.
But even with green tea, most parents still do not get enough hydration to repair at night. So that's where drink number two comes in.
Absolutely.
Number two is simple Water. Why does water matter so much?
Yeah, so it's really just drink any kind of water because dehydration is the number one cause of morning fatigue and poor memory. People don't get enough water. Like your brain is like 73% water, and your memory, your function depends on hydration.
Dehydration slows the lymphatic detox and it leads to foggy mornings.
It regulates your body temperature for a deeper, uninterrupted sleep.
It helps the liver process toxins overnight.
Most parents are chronically dehydrated without even realizing it, and just drinking water will just help you out.
Okay. But there's one drink that beats all of this because it doesn't just hydrate, it fuels it.
Yeah.
And okay, so number one, the absolute best drink for energy restoration and memory improvement while you sleep is mineralized water.
Yes,
Why
yes.
is this at the top of your list?
Because when you have the right water that's filtered or mineral rich, it gives your cells the exact electrical charge that it needs to repair and communicate. Hydration involves mineralization and water. And when you have the minerals, the electrolytes, it helps your cells fire and just repair it really, really good. It supports your mitochondrial healing, boosts that morning energy. It's just great overall.
So it enhances deep sleep and nervous system recovery.
Oh yeah, and then you start flushing out the stuff. It helps remove all the metabolic waste. It reduces that morning inflammation. And really, your now brain is set. They'll be able to handle good memory and consolidation, and we retain them during deep sleep cycles.
So, in other words, mineral water turns into true repair fuel.
It's 100% correct. Yes.
And this is where most parents struggle. Restoring energy takes energy, right? Without it, these habits stay theoretical. Most people want to improve their health, but they're just too tired to start.
And that's exactly why we created the 5-day Crush Your Fatigue Challenge. It resets your internal energy system so your body can repair again. Without that foundation, no drink, no habit, can't do the job. And we work through exactly that in 5 days.
Imagine waking up and feeling clear, not dragging. Imagine remembering things easier. Imagine actually feeling present with your family again. Imagine surviving the day feeling happy, great, alive.
Power, presence, and purpose when it comes to living and taking care of your family. That's exactly what happens. When your brain can finally repair at night, you got more power, you got more presence. Morning energy, it becomes natural. It feels sharper. Your mood stabilizes. You become more you once again.
All right, Doc, break it down for us.
The right drinks at night restore energy and memory while you sleep. The second thing is parents are chronically dehydrated, inflamed, and mineral deficient, and they don't even know it. Number three is repair begins when you hydrate, nourish, and mineralize your body consistently. Consistent is the key word.
If you want your body to finally repair again, don't guess. Join the Crush Fatigue in 5 Days Challenge and reset your energy system today.
And make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Until next time, be well.
All right, take care.